So let's start with the first topic, multiplication of two-digit number. As you can see this, Urdhva method. This is the same method which we are talking about. Urdhva Vyam. This is the Vedic maths method. Now, this is the regular method and this is the right side. You will find the regular method and the left side you will find Vedic methods. So what is the difference here in regular method and Vedic method? You can clearly see that in Vedic maths, we have an answer in just a single line, right? But in Vedic maths, you will have to take at least, in regular maths, you will have to take at least 3 lines, right? So obviously it will take a lot of time. Like you can see this. If you have to do multiplication of 2, 3, 4, 6, you have to do 6 into 3, 6 into 2, write down this. Then you are going to do 4, 3 is 12 and 4, 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. And then you are going to add, and then you get the answer. In Vedic maths, there is only 3 steps: vertical, cross, vertical means vertical, cross, and vertical. Only 3 steps, and you will get the answer quickly. Okay. So let's discuss this method first. So I'm going to take one example: small numbers 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Because we are discussing directly a Vedic maths, because I'm assuming you all are aware with the problems of regular multiplication. So look at these steps. So there is a 3 steps in multiplication of Vedic mathematics. Okay, the vertical, the cross, and the vertical. Okay, actually, I'm going to give you more idea about if there is any 2 numbers. Okay, I discussing about 2-digit multiplication. Later we are going to discuss 3, 4, 5. Okay, all are same. Like if you are doing the 2-digit multiplication, so there is only 2 line, and if there is a 3 line, then what you do? You do one more multiplication and then you do the addition, right? Similarly, if there is a 3-digit number, you will have to add one more extra step. So first understand the 2-digit multiplication. So I'm writing 2-digit number. Suppose all these are the 2-digit number. Okay, and the same number 3, 2, 2, 1. Suppose this is a 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1 only. Now I'm drawing the pattern how you have to do the calculation. So first step, you have to do the first 2-digit multiplication, means 2 and 1. Okay. Now second step is cross this 2-digit and this 2-digit. Whatever the digit you got, you have to do cross multiplication. Means 3 into 1 and 2 into 2. And between this, you have to add the number. Now last digit, again vertical, like a first, but this time we are going to do with the last digit. Okay. So now understand this one by one. So vertical multiplication of first 2 digits. So 2 into 1, that is 2. Now I'm going to discuss the second step. So second step is vertical line, cross line. So cross means what? You have to do the cross multiplication of 3 into 1. Tell me 3 into 1.
3.
Plus, look at this. I'm not doing multiplication. We are doing plus.
Okay, 4.
2 into 2. Okay. So first step is 3 into 1, which I did here. Then 2 into 2, that is 4. Now add this 3 plus 4. This 2 digit, actually 2 steps I'm going to add, not multiply. Somebody make a mistake, like you write down multiplication. No, actually multiplication between these 2 numbers. So 3 and multiplication between these 2 numbers. 2 to the 4, and now add these 2 numbers. So we have a 7. Yeah. Now we are in the last step. That is the last 2-digit multiplication. So multiply 3 into 2. Tell me 3 into 2.
6.
And this is the answer. So now I'm going to discuss a few more problems. So let's start the second question. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now steps will be same. Look, you don't have to write down always this step. Okay. Why I'm writing? Because I wanted to explain you. The basic steps are same. You should always keep in mind the first 2-digit multiplication. This is the first step. Then you have to do cross multiplication of 4 into 1 and 3 into 2. And the last step is 4 into 2. Still, I'm going to write down here. Okay. First step, second step, and third step. Now tell me the first step. 3 into 1.
3.
Next.
4.
4 into 1.
4 into 1, 4 plus 3 2s are 6.
So 6 plus 4.
10. 10.
So here you have to write down 0 only. Like we did earlier. The concept of carry will come here as well. Okay. 1 will be as a carry over. And the next question, next step.
4 into 2.
4
into 2.
8 plus 1.
9. 903.
Now look at this. You have to eliminate the steps. Okay. because Vedic maths is a mental mathematics. And when you are a teacher and when you are trying to give the demo, like I have a responsibility to impress everybody, right? I'm not trying to do that, but I can do that. Just do the multiplication, just two number. This is the answer. In this way, I can impress you very well, right? Because I have a very good calculation skill. But why I'm not doing this? Because you are learning. I'm not going to demotivate you. Okay. So what you have to do, the first step is try to eliminate the steps. How you can do the elimination of the steps? If you are going to write down always this step, obviously you are wasting your time. No one is going to wait for you. Okay. They need a quick answer. Now, next, you have to do the parallel calculation. Look at this. How I'm doing the parallel calculation in my mind. If you have to get the answer quickly, you have to do the parallel calculation always. Okay. And how the parallel calculation works? You know the first two-digit multiplication, the first step, last two-digit multiplication, the last step, and then you do the this multiplication plus this multiplication. So you can do it mentally just watching the numbers. Okay. You have to try to make the habit of it. I tried only with the second example, but you all are teacher, you can get it very easy. Look, what is the first step? 3 into 1.
21.
What is the second step? Last step, 4 to 8. And what is the center stage? The center stage is 4 into 1 and 2 3 are 6. That is 10. Okay. So these things you have to keep in mind always. Just watch the number, calculate the value. Okay. And what is the effect of that? That you have already a numbers. Now what you have to do, because of this one, you have to carry over. Simple. So this will become 9. So answer is 908. It will become a very fast. Okay. Suppose there is a number. I'm writing 4753. And how we are going to do this? I'm trying to do 7 3 ja, 4 5 ja, and cross ja. So what is the benefit of this? We can get the answer very easily. Look at this. So you have to make the habit of it. And how we are doing? Look at this. I'm trying to give you here. 7 3 ja, 21. When I write the answer, I have a first part of the answer clearly in my mind. Because this is 7 and 7 3 ja, 1. So this is actually 21, first part. 4 5 ja, 20. This is the second last part. And only difficult part is finding the center number. So I first find out the center number only. So 4 3 ja, 12 and 7 5 ja, 35. Okay. Look, 7 5 ja, 35, 4 3 ja, 12. So this is 47. So what I did, I added these two in here. So this will become 49. And because this is a carry now, so this will going to add here. So now look at this. If you are going to add 4 here, so this will become 24. And this is only 9. And this is 1. Look at this. I got the same answer. You may be wondering how I am doing this. I'm just telling you. This process I will going to discuss. Then you have to follow the second method, which I am telling you right now. Okay? And that is the reason you are asking that one. Okay?
So
Look at this.
47 into 53. So in that case, we had two numbers in the end. So how we will add that I want to know.
Okay, good.
The answer
Look at
was
it.
20, 47 and 21.
This is the 21. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
47. And this
Yes,
is the
sir.
20. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now, look at this. So, I'm just telling you this, focus on this step. 4 into 1
4 into 1, 4.
plus 2 into 3
6.
and 6 plus 4 is,
10.
you haven't written down 10 here. You written down only 0. Why?
Yes.
Because 1 is the carry,
Carry
right?
forward. Yes, sir.
So, if you are going to follow this method, you have to write down 1 here and 9 here, right?
Yes, sir.
But that is not the right way. So, that is the reason you write down 1 separately and you add this number later on. So, this will
Yes,
become
sir.
90.
Yes,
But
sir.
what you did here, you did the multiplication and you write down every number here only.
Yes, sir.
5 4 are 20, you written down. 7 3 are 21. Actually, 2 is the carry, but you written down here only, right?
Yes,
So what
sir.
we have to do? We have to forward this carry over into the next part.
Yes,
That is the
sir.
reason this is the line. Okay. So now add this 2 into this one. What is the 2 plus 47?
49.
And this number is 1 only, right?
Yes.
And now this is 20. Now next step, this is a 1 digit now. Now we have to make this number as 1 digit. So 4 will going to add into 20. So this will become 24. Now this is 9 and this is 1, right? In the last
Okay.
step, we can have a 2-digit number. That's fine. But in the center and in the first step, we can't have a 2-digit number. So this is actually answer 2491.
Okay.
Clear to everyone?
Okay. Okay.
This is just a simple step which we did earlier. But if you are going to follow this, you have to habitual of this as well. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, got
So,
it. Got it. Now I got it.
For the next 20 question or 30 question, I don't recommend it because I am teaching you right now, and that is the reason I discussed this step. But you have to do it after solving this type of question at least 20 or 30. Okay. Now solve the next question if you wanted to solve. 3, 2, 4, 5. Do it now. Use the same method, 1 cross 1. Forget the second one.
1 4
4
4.
2 is 8. 5 3 is 15.
Is it 1440?
1440. How you did this?
Yes, sir. 1440 is the answer.
The answer is correct. I'm only asking how this is so fast. So if you don't have any idea, I'm going to explain you again. Just look at this. Vertical. So 2 5 are 10. That is correct. 1 is carryover. Next is 5 3 are 15 and 4 2 are 8. So 15 plus 8 is 23 and 1 carry. So this will become 24. Correct. Now 2 is the carry. This is last step is what? 3 into 4, 12. And 12 plus 2 is 14.